let's head over to meet Cassie. She's in the Advanced Manufacturing Apprenticeship program, where not only is she learning sought-after skills, she's an apprentice at a local company getting paid while learning. She's gonna give us a peek inside Harper's classes, where the small class sizes means she's able to connect with her professors and fellow students. Cassie, tell us more.
Thanks, Alex. Growing up, I loved to build and take apart things to explore how they worked. Because of this, I knew I wanted to be in manufacturing, was unsure exactly how. After graduating high school in 2019, I started the mechanical engineering program, but discovered this is not exactly what I wanted. I knew I wanted a program with hands-on experience, along with leading to a successful career path. So I searched for a more hands-on program and found the CNC Precision Machining Apprenticeship at Harper. In this program, you get hired by a company that pays for all your school costs in addition to paying you a wage. You go to school for 8 weeks and spend the rest of the time focusing on honing your skills in the field, through the job, and hands-on learning in Harper's manufacturing labs. When I started this program, I was hired by and currently work for Craft Technology, a Hyperion materials and technologies company. I am able to earn money and apply what I learned in the classroom to the real world. Small class sizes at Harper allow students ample one-on-one time with their teachers. This allows them to get to know me and support me in the classroom along with in my academic career. Harper has also offered me a lot of opportunities to get out of my comfort zone and represent the apprenticeship program along with my company. For example, I met with U.S. Senator Dick Durbin, where I got to talk about the value of the CNC Precision Machining Apprenticeship program and my hands-on experience at Craft Technology. I know Harper's apprenticeship program will continue to give me opportunities so that when I graduate, I'll have a job lined up along with a relevant degree. Well, that's it for me. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Cassie, how cool is it that you're able to find the perfect fit through Harper's apprenticeship program and have a foot in the door for your job after graduation? It's so amazing how much you're able to learn while earning a paycheck. What a very cool opportunity. Thanks for sharing your story.